Website Design Practice Test 2026 Website Design Exam Questions and Test Prep Guide. Question 1. Which HTML tag is used to define the largest heading? H6, head, H1, header. Is the top-level heading. Question 2. What does CSS stand for? Colorful style sheets, cascading style sheets, creative style systems, computer style sheets. CSS is used for styling HTML elements. Question 3. In responsive web design, what is a breakpoint? When the website crashes. A screen width where the layout changes via media queries. The end of a shift. A link that doesn't work. Breakpoints allow layouts to adapt to different devices. Question 4. Which property is used in CSS to change the text color? Font style, text color, color, background color. The color property affects text. Question 5. What is the purpose of the alt attribute in an img tag? To make the image bigger, to provide alternative text for screen readers /SEO, to change the image source, to add a border. Accessibility and SEO best practice. Question 6. Which of these is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces? Java, Python, React, C++. React is a widely used JS library. Question 7. What does UI stand for? User interest, user interface, universal interaction, under integration. UI refers to the visual elements users interact with. Question 8. White space in web design refers to empty space between elements, a bug in the code, the color of the background, paper. Negative space improves readability and focus. Question 9. What is the box model in CSS? A shipping method. The way elements are rendered as boxes with content, padding, borders, and margins. A grid system. A 3D design tool. Understanding the box model is fundamental to CSS layout. Question 10. Which file extension is commonly used for vector graphics on the web? .jpg, .png, .svg, .gif. Scalable vector graphics are ideal for icons and logos. Question 11. What is the purpose of a wireframe? To code the final site. To create a low-fidelity blueprint of the page layout. To host the website. To test the database. Wireframes focus on structure before visual design. Question 12. Which CSS property is used to create space inside an element's border? Margin, padding, width, gap. Padding is internal, margin is external. Question 13. What does HTTP stand for? Hypertext Transfer Protocol, High-Tech Tool Program, Hypertext Title Page, Home Transfer Tool. The protocol for transferring data over the web. Question 14. Accessibility A11Y means the site is fast. The site is usable by people with disabilities. The site is open 24/7. The site is free. Designing for all users, including those with impairments. Question 15. Which color model is typically used for web graphics? CMYK, RGB, RYB, Pantone. Red, green, blue is the standard for screens. Question 16. What is a call to action CTA? A phone call. A design element, like a button, that prompts a user to take a specific action. A meeting. A legal notice. Examples: buy now, sign up. Question 17. Which HTML tag is used to create a hyperlink? Link. A. URL. Href. The anchor tag A is used with the href attribute. Question 18. What is user experience UX? How fast the server is. The overall feeling a user has when interacting with a site. The number of users. The type of mouse used. UX encompasses usability, accessibility, and pleasure. Question 19. A favicon is. A favorite icon. The small icon displayed in a browser tab. A high-resolution photo. A type of font. Short for favorite icon. Question 20. What does mobile-first design mean? Designing for desktops first. Starting the design process for the smallest screen size. Only having a mobile site. Using a phone to design. Prioritizing mobile users' needs first.